Welcome back to my channel. Okay, here I have an industrial weaving machine that doesn't move the fabric. As you can see, I'm trying to move it and the fabric is just one place. So here I'm going to show you how to fix it in case you're having the same issue on your weaving machine. Now I'm going to show you the common issue that is causing this thing now not to move. And if you don't solve it, you're not going to use your machine. It's the teeth. As you can see it right now, the teeth fell inside. As you can see, the teeth is not coming out. This kind of issue can stop you from working, just like it did to the owner that has this machine. So right now you're in the right place. Now this teeth is 2. This is the first place you adjust the first teeth. This one now, the back teeth, that's where I adjust it. Why this front one now is from here, this other angle. Now look at the knot right here now, you understand? So this is the angle I'll be adjusting the front teeth. So first of all, we'll start with the back one. Now you get over here. I've just slacked the knot now. Hope you are looking at it. Then this is how you adjust it. You are going to move this thing now upward. Just hold on, let me just set the machine properly. Okay, now look at it. You see where I'm putting this screwdriver now. Look at it. I just lift the thing up now. As you can see, the teeth is high. As you can see, the teeth has come up, but it's too high. Shouldn't be high as this. So I'm going to press it down a little. Pressing it down. It's too down. Let me bring it up again. It's too high. Just let it not be too down. Let it not be too high. Let me see this mark. Let me look at this mark. I think it's still high. I'm just going to adjust it a little down again, because if it's too high, your fabric won't be moving freely. It will be bouncing. So I just lose the knot and I press it a little down. So I'm going to tighten it properly. Hope you are really seeing what I'm doing. You're seeing how I'm making this adjustment. You put this screwdriver under this thing, you bring it up for it to come up. Then you tighten it back. Now look at the teeth. Look at it. This is it. This is how it's supposed to be. As you can see, this is how it's supposed to be. As I'm turning it, it's going in and it's coming out. At first, it wasn't coming out. So right now, I'm going to lock this thing very tight so it won't adjust again. So right now, we are going to adjust the front teeth, the front feed dog, which is at this other side, this other angle. Now we're going to be adjusting this one, bringing it up again. So you get your screwdriver over here, look closely, you see there is a knot here. Now I've showed you before. We are going to slack this knot now. As you can see, I've just loosened it, and look at where I'm putting the screwdriver in order to push it up. As you can see, look at the teeth now. The feed dog is out. Tighten it again. It's as easy as that. You want to move it up, you put your screwdriver under here, you push it up a little bit, then you tighten that knot back. Now let me see the height of the teeth. Okay, this one is good. Make sure the front is matching with the back bone. Let the front teeth not be higher than the back. Let the back not be higher than the front. Once you get that mark, you go ahead and tighten this knot properly. Tighten it very tight so it won't adjust again by itself. So right now, I'm going to test the machine out again and see if it's going to move the fabric again. As you can see, it's working. It's as simple as that. The teeth went inside and I just brought them back up. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Always do like and subscribe.